Hey, I'm Liz. I'm a food illustrator and farmer here in beautiful northern New Mexico, and I'm so excited to welcome you to this class today to learn all about print-on-demand artwork. As artists, it can be really challenging to find avenues to share our work with the world in ways that are both sustainable and profitable. I wish I had known about print-on-demand printing when I started my creative business, because at the time I was creating everything by hand and selling in pop-up shops and on Etsy and losing quite a bit of money. If I had known about print on demand, I think it would have made my life a little easier and allowed me to try out new products without any upfront large money commitment. So that's why I'm sharing what I've learned with you today, because I want you to be 3 steps ahead in order to get your artwork out into the world, share it with people, and make it sustainable. This class is for you if you are an artist who is tired of carrying around the same boxes of inventory from 3 years ago. Hello. This is for you if you are an artist who is looking to start your own creative business but doesn't have a whole lot of upfront cash. This is for you if you're an artist who is already in business but is looking for an additional income stream. This class is for you if you are an artist who is ready to reach a wider audience, maybe beyond your state or beyond your country. This class is for you if you're not calling yourself an artist just yet, but you're ready to be one. In this class today, you are going to learn how to test multiple product ideas without upfront costs. You're going to learn how to ditch the hefty costs and storage of inventory to boost your creative business. You're going to learn how to integrate print on demand into your Etsy and or Shopify stores. Lastly, you're going to learn which print on demand company to partner with and dive into my favorite. So your class project is to create your own custom product and upload a photo of it so that we can all see, comment, and cheer you on.